Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace map sensor on 2.4 guys Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler engine. That actually is a Fiat engine as well. Now it's a 2.4 Multiair engine guys, and if you're trying to locate and replace your map sensor, we'll explain where it's located and how to remove and replace it. If you need to buy one guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can purchase one from. Now we'll demonstrate on Dodge Dart, but that engine guys has been used on Dodge Dart, Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass, Jeep Renegade, Chrysler 200 and Fiat 500X. The same 2.4 Multiair engine is used on all these vehicles. Now we guys have more than 200 videos on this engine alone and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start on it now. So this is it guys, probably looks familiar to you. If it says Multiair 2.4 liter guys, that procedure will work on your engine. Now, what I'm going to do now guys, as you can see our air filter box and engine mount is removed, but I'm going to go ahead guys, okay, we have a spare engine, so make sure you stay until the end. I'm going to show you guys on the spare engine where exactly that map sensor is located, because if the engine is in the vehicle, it's almost guys, it's almost impossible. So looking guys at the engine this way now, okay, right here, okay, that sensor all the way down there guys, this is your map sensor. Practically you can remove it if you lay underneath the vehicle. Okay, if you go underneath the vehicle on a lift or you jack it up, put it on jack stands guys, you can crawl underneath it and remove it. Now I will not be able guys to get the camera in there and show you the action, so we have that same 2.4 Multiair engine guys right here, okay, and I can show you a little bit better. You can see this is guys, okay, the sensor right there, this is it. Sometimes you may have a safety pin, okay, a safety pin that you need to slide over a little bit. Okay, I'll just get a small flathead screwdriver and I'm going to show you guys, okay, what I'm talking about. Usually the pin is like, it could be something that you slide over, okay, like that, so you can press on it and release it. Now this one is missing it, okay, it doesn't have one. What do you do after that? Okay, you squish right here in the middle, okay, grab it and pull it out guys. Now this is the map sensor, and that's where it gets interesting. Most people will damage it from that point on. Okay, they will damage guys the intake manifold because they don't know how to remove it. They will pry, they will break the manifold, and then you need to buy a new manifold. So how do you remove that thing? Okay, check it out now. You grab it guys and you pull it, you turn it counterclockwise about 90 degrees and you pull it out, and it comes out of here. You can see just like that. Not very complicated at all. So if you're wondering guys, okay, how to replace it, where it's located, that is the location guys. And if you come from underneath the vehicle, okay, let me show you now. From underneath the vehicle you can practically see that sensor there, and you can do all the action from underneath. Okay, it's down there as you can see. Nothing is in the way from what I can see. It's right above the CV axle, okay, the one with the green paint right there, that's it. If you remove the engine mount, or if you remove that, if you just remove the intake boot right here guys, you can reach it from here as well. Okay, not very complicated. We have a video how to remove that, so check it out if you need help with. And if you need a replacement one, we'll have in the description of the video below guys where you can purchase one from. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.